let's get into this pre-highlighted wig. I know there's some of you out there probably like, oh my gosh, I need that wig, because you probably spend so much time on YouTube trying to do highlights in your wig or trying to color it blonde, and it's just not working out for you. Me, I was that girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair video. Okay, I'm just kidding. If you're new, hi, my name is Kayla, and today I'm just gonna be showing you guys my new Beyonce hair. Got this pre-highlighted wig from the Atina hair company. Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys, or telling you guys all about this unit that I ordered from Atina Queen or Atina hair company. I really don't know if they're two different companies, but Atina is the brand, and so if you guys are interested, keep on watching. The shipping, this wig came super fast. I'm telling you, like 3 or 4 days the wig was here. I ordered it when I was on vacation, and it got to where I was going before I even got there, so that was good. It came in this box. It didn't come real fancy. All that came in the box was a wig cap and a elastic band that is real short. It's like maybe this long. It came in a plastic bag with the specifications.
What?
Specifications, whatever you want to call it, with the details. I ordered, which mine said 16 inches pre-highlighted wig, 13 by 6 lace, which means that it goes from ear to ear, and then a 6-inch parting space, which means my middle part goes all the way back here, which is bomb. I love when the part is deep. The highlighting is kind of weird to me, but I've grown to adjust to it. Like they did the highlights in the middle part, because if I were to wear my hair in the middle, the highlights are even on both sides all the way around the wig, but when it's on a side part, it's kind of not. But it's okay, it still looks cute to me. To each its own. When I got the wig and opened it out the bag, all that kind of stuff, I was so excited. The wig didn't look like how it looked like on the picture. It was kind of raggedy, and the lace had a green tint, and by then I already knew, like, oh my gosh, the lace is gonna be too dark for me. But I could have sworn when I went to order it that it said something about HD or transparent. That's why I got it. So I was a little upset about that part. I can do a video for you guys on how I installed a darker lace, or tips and tricks to installing a darker lace for you. Another con, the wig did say that it was pre-plucked and all that kind of stuff. Pre-plucked hairline, you know, AliExpress. The lace was not, I mean, it was, but it was, you know, I had to go back in and do some more plucking of my liking. I did receive tangling, but not in the first 3 weeks. The first 3 weeks were bomb. Like, there was absolutely no tangling. It was so nice and buttery and smooth. But now, I just got done washing it and brushing all the knots out of this wig. So that's why it's kind of flowy. But as you can see right here, like the back experiences a lot more tangling for some reason. Also, I think that the blonde hair has more of a tighter curl pattern than the brown hair. So that's why I didn't really know. On the website, it doesn't say what kind of curl pattern this is. That's why I had to go back and look at the little plastic bag. Doesn't even say what kind of curl pattern this is. So I don't know what this is. Water wave, deep wave, mix. I don't know what they try to do here. I love it now, and you can get different curls with different products. Like when I use the Nairobi mousse and Denman brush, this is how my hair comes out. If I don't use a Denman brush, it comes out different. I don't know. I'll insert different pictures for you guys so that you can see what I'm talking about, because I can't explain it right now. But I'm just working with it, and I like it for the most part. I did order this in a 130% density, which I think I'll insert a clip on how I ordered the wig, because in case you want to check it out. Also, I will leave the link to the wig in the description box below. If you're looking for a bomb pre-highlighted wig, here you go, sis. I think this is very cute, you know. As I said before, it was 16 inches, so it was like right here, maybe right here, I think. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little review, make sure you smash the like button, because that lets me know if you actually liked it, or if you're real bold, go ahead and comment down below and I will reply to your comment. If you guys do decide on buying this wig or have any comments on this wig, let me know in the comments. Let's chat it up in the comments. I want to hear your experience as well. Or you can tag me on Instagram. But make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram down below in the description box. But that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!